Hey everybody, Felix Stoffelbaker here. I wanted to make a video about EOS Foundation. The former guy from EOS Nation, Yves LaRose, started EOS Nation and is going to basically make a centralized part of EOS, part of the community where everybody can go and have a common knowledge base and understanding and place where everybody kind of agrees on things. Because one thing about EOS that has really been something that hasn't been positive for it is how decentralized EOS is. It's so decentralized that there's no coordinations, and it's so big that to get things to move in a certain direction or to get projects adopted or things like that is just very difficult, because a lot of times it would just be a single team or two trying to promote certain things or something like that, and there's just not the coordinated effort by everybody. So what EOS Foundation does is kind of centralizes a little bit of that and allows for, it's really going to be like a mini funding arm that is free and clear of all the regulations and hurdles that, say, Block 1 has to clear for before they invest and try to be like a VC in something. With their VC program are more for like startups and seed funding and needing a lot of regulatory clarity and roadmaps and all that stuff on what they're going to do, where EOS Foundation is more projects that are already running, already going, already have teams established, already like on the move, and just need money injected into them to be able to fuel what they're doing and get things accomplished and get them across the finish line. And you know, that's really going to improve the community side of EOS and really start to draw some of these people back from other projects who not even potentially may have left, but people who are coming into the space new. As more and more people start to come in with this bull run, you know, they'll be able to understand how easy it is to build on EOS versus any of the other smart contract platforms. And with a resource like EOS Foundation, be able to be in a place where all the questions they have will be answered, all the tools they need can be referenced, they can have links to different blogs and all those different kinds of things, where it'll really just bring a community feel, much like the Ethereum Foundation, how they can sway the opinions of the ETH community and have a lot of influence. But you know, on Ethereum they still claim that's decentralized. You know, we know it's not, but if they're going to claim that and get to do that kind of thing, we'll get to do that, and it'll be decentralized as well. But EOS was so decentralized that it actually hurt itself, and now is starting to come together and form cohesive groups that are recognizable as a standard and really showcase the EOS technology across all different sides, because we're going to have community side ran by just average people, we're going to have commercial side, we're going to have government side, all these different aspects of EOS that are going to be playing a major role once things are mainstream, where now we're just blossoming into that. And I think that, you know, the EOS Foundation is the perfect segue to be able to line all that up and get everything rolling. You know, I see us all on the train now. It's getting ready to leave the station, and once we get up to speed, this is a bullet train, so you're going to want to be on that train. So I just want to put that out there. Stoffelbaker out.